morning, folks. We're watching a plasma filament action building on the southeastern limb. We've got weather and top science news coming up, and we're starting with our star at spaceweathernews.com. We find the last day on the sun without sunspots or flares, but these patchy coronal holes continue populating central longitudes. Thus far, they have not produced much in the solar wind, just a little, but that was enough. Most of this chart shows the descent of the solar wind intensity, but on the right, we jump back up slightly overnight. This finally ended 36 hours of KP0, the longest zero-day cosmic ray health alert we have ever had. To learn more about the alerts, but more specifically, just what the heck you're supposed to do about them, we've got 2 videos on that the last couple of years. Both are linked below, and both are recommended for any of you who have cells or blood or neurons. Gonna get one of you with that one. And on to this one. Well, that's fun, huh? I doubt anyone in the US would be shocked to read this right now. Record snow in the lower 48. I want to jump next to the Indian Ocean, where numerous low cells are spinning. Over to the right you can see the typhoon that just left the Philippines, but as we run the forecast forward we find there isn't a ton of movement to the cells. The exception is the one by Somalia, which will catch the train westward and stay stuck over the northern coastlines of the nation for at least a day. Eyes open there. Good to see the solar physicists really gearing up for the next sunspot cycle, improving flare identification and warning systems. They are keen on using the continually better understood magnetic field and plasma interactions in the corona to delineate different regions and events on our star. Big ups to them. Up next, this is not what TESS was meant to find, but when it caught the transient light of Wirtanen's outburst, it stuck with it until the light faded. It is indeed the first end-to-end comet